how to make zip file on Windows 11. So simply, it's very easy method to make the zip file of your photos or folder. So first of all, you'll have to select the picture or folder whom you want to make zip for the bulk sending process. Like I'm opening this folder section, and from here you will have to select the desired contents, photos or files whom you want to make zip. So I'm selecting these 4 files. So after selecting the desired file whom you want to make zips, so simply you will have to click right on that section, and here you have to move for the option like compress to. So after clicking on this compress to option, you will got 4 options here like zip file, 7-zip file, tar file or additional options. So you will have to choose for the zip file, and now it's zipping the file. So the file will zip in the same location where you have to select it. So now simply I can save the zip file to others for easy methods. Like if they have to extract it from the right click, so extract here. So likewise, you can also make the zip file on your Windows. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon there for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.